Welcome. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Today being February 24th, 2022, we can see markets are called down, and it was the same thing in other markets across the globe. We can see here as a follow-up to a video I did 2 days ago. And I'm going to link that video in the description of the video, or in case I forget, it's right here. And you can search it on my recent YouTube videos. Now, this is going to be a quick follow through, or should I say follow up. And if we take a look at the weekly charts now, we can see that for the week so far, the Nifty is down about 5 to 6%. And remember, if you go back to the previous video that I'm talking about, there was that suggestion that whenever you're moving below RSI 50, there tends to be the possibility of an expansion of price action. And the other market also that I did not mention in that video, but I mentioned there was another market I was watching, was the Canadian market. The TSX also was approaching 50 this week. And there was a possibility that it too could drop below 50, which in my opinion explains why we are seeing prices expanding as they are moving below RSI 50. There are going to be links in the description of this video further explaining what I call the RSI 50 crossing phenomenon. By the way, before I forget, what this means from a general perspective is that as long as you stay below 50 for the week, chances are you're going to close towards session lows, which would suggest closing towards the lows of this week, irrespective of the intraday price action. Again, I explained this via many video examples spanning many years, and you'll find links in the description of this video. And so it is. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I leave you as I found you, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator, Adonai.